This is how I tripled my wedding photography income. That sounds very gimmicky. Let's try it again. Get rich with time and money in wedding photography. Not it either. There is a huge shift coming to the wedding photography market, and it is your chance to get ahead of it. Maybe that's the one. Hi there, I am Taylor Jackson, and I've photographed over 1,000 weddings. My book about that is #1 on Amazon. It's also on Audible as well, where I will personally read it into your ears. That's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about a legitimate shift in the wedding photography industry. If you want to build a business that your friends and family are jealous of, I am going to give you the framework. Imagine having a business that allows you to buy all the newest photography gear, whatever cameras and lenses you want, a business that allows you to travel all around the world like we do. We even did a travel show with Nikon. Since then, we've gone on to work with brands like Best Buy, Capture One, Adorama, and Sony. But you don't care what we've done. You care what the framework can do for your business. It's pretty simple and it works regardless of where you are at in your career. It's just as easy to implement whether you are first getting started or you're already booking 30 weddings a season. And here it is, hybrid coverage. It's on the screen now. And that's why I'm here in Brighton, UK, in this strange hotel room with this wave blanket and this chair. I don't even know what to say about the chair, but I'm here to teach at a photography conference about hybrid photo video coverage. Hybrid coverage has helped a lot of my friends turn their already profitable businesses into businesses that make $300,000 per year, like this guy.
I promise I am not doing this for him, but there was a tutorial that you had on how to shoot weddings, photography, and video.
Yeah.
That took my business to the next level and allowed me to charge 50% more, and actually no, 65% more, because I was charging more for my time for shooting photo and for video. Because sometimes people are booked that, like, they'll say, oh, we really like you, but we've already booked our photographer. So then it's like, okay, now I'm waiting on the next client to book me for photography. But here it is, now I have the information on how to shoot video, and I could just shoot highlight films for clients and make money doing that. And I was like, oh, it was a no-brainer. That video was absolutely instrumental in my career. That really broke barriers for me because it allowed me to expand as a creator and not just be Jermaine Horton Photography, but one of the reasons why I changed my name to Jermaine Horton Studios, because now we're a complete organization and a complete creative studio versus just being able to do photography.
Not only will hybrid increase your average booking cost significantly, it will also attract even more customers. Using my business as a case study, I went from 35 weddings per year to 70 weddings a year when I started offering hybrid coverage. When couples inquired with me and saw that I could do photo and video, they could no longer compare me to anyone in my town. To get the same services, they'd have to be hiring 2 full teams. There were a few other people offering photo video services as a wedding photography studio, but they did something that scares me, and they subcontracted that booking. So they found a video person, maybe it was their friend, maybe they work together often, but I have heard a lot of horror stories when it comes to hiring somebody to do a core service for your couple. Usually the story goes something like that the video person just never delivers the final project, and eventually the photographer gets a drive in the mail with all the raw footage, and they have to figure out how to edit and deliver on what the videographer promised they would do. Maybe they promise a 20-minute feature edit, and now you're a photographer and you got to do a 20-minute feature edit. And if you've ever done one of those, it takes way too long. And that is not what hybrid photo video coverage is about. If you put the time in to do hybrid photo video coverage correctly, you will be in control of everything and your life will be stress-free and easy. And you can easily make a highlight video yourself or yourself and a second. And here's exactly how it works. Step 1, you take the pictures you would usually take. And step 2, you record the video after that. And that might sound too simple, but that's the process. Are you a replacement for a full cinema team with multiple different videographers? No, or probably not, you shouldn't be. But a lot of my couples don't have the budget to hire a full video team, and also I am an introverted human being, and if you're attracting your ideal couples, they're probably pretty similar to you, and my couples do not like the idea of having 6 people pointing cameras at them for their entire wedding day. That sounds like an absolute nightmare. If it could just be myself and my second, they're going to be a lot more comfortable, a lot more themselves, and the wedding day is going to be a lot more them. Next, the style of video that you make while doing hybrid coverage is different. It's a short music video, 3 minutes in length. You also can cut a 1-minute reel from it as part of one of the deliverables you can offer your couples, and all of a sudden you're getting paid to make reels for your business, whereas right now you might actually be a little bit upset that Instagram is not prioritizing still images, that it's making you do these reels. Now you're getting paid to do them. Obviously there are a few things that you're going to need to do to cover an event and not sacrifice your usual quality when it comes to the photography gallery. And you might be thinking, how do I do the things that happen one time? How do I do a first kiss, a first look? How do I do even the couple being introduced in the reception space? How do I do that on both photo and video at the same time? Well, I have some tricks. My goal is still what it's always been, to not sacrifice my photography coverage and to also do a highlight film. And the additional editing time for a video gets down to 2 or 3 hours after a couple of weddings, or you can just outsource it completely to someone else, not worry about the back end. After implementing hybrid properly, all of the other photographers in your town are going to be jealous. They're going to be talking about you and wondering how you got so booked up. You'll be out there every single weekend shooting multiple events with your brand new gear that you're buying with all those new bookings. Or if you don't want to shoot multiple events, you can really increase the cost of your individual packages in order to shoot less weddings quantity-wise, but still double your income. There's a link for you to click to get started. If you're interested, you get to come to a real-life destination wedding with me, and you will be on top of my camera and you will see all of the clips that I shoot. We start with setting up your camera with the best settings and also talk about the lenses and the gear that are very nice to have, gear that you can buy with all your new bookings. And as a bonus for the first 100 people that sign up, you're going to get a lot of bonuses. First, you get my LUTs. These are presets for video. They're what I use every single video I deliver to make my color correction almost not even need to happen. We'll talk more about that in editing in the course. They're geared exactly to the style of videos that we are going to shoot. Next, you're gonna get the hybrid photo video mini course. This includes a bonus wedding day where you are again on top of my camera for the entire wedding day. Next, you'll get how to make a wedding highlight film. Another course with a full destination day where you are again on top of my camera. Next bonus is your first $1 million in wedding photography. This course is all about getting your business on track to make your first million. There is a big difference between thinking this big versus just trying to book a single next wedding. And then the next bonus is advanced wedding photography marketing. This course includes a framework that will rapidly accelerate the growth of your business once you start to book a few weddings. That's almost $800 in total value. But if you're one of the first 100 people, you're not gonna pay anything close to that. This bundle deal with all the bonuses is only available until March 31st or until the first 100 are gone. So get in on this now if you're interested. As always, it comes with a 100% money back guarantee. If for whatever reason you don't like the course, 1, you're crazy because there's so much in here, it's gonna change your life. 2, no judgment at all. Send me an email. My email is right here. I will send 100% of your money back to you. Now, one more bonus opportunity for $40 more, and it also comes with that 100% money back guarantee. For $40 more, you can sign up to the annual plan and get access to all of the online courses that I've ever made. You also get access to my Lightroom preset pack as well. All the courses are listed on the screen right now, and there are a lot. From Introvert's Guide to Wedding Photography Posing, to Off-Camera Flash for wedding photographers, and there are also a lot of downloads. You can download my contract, you can download welcome guides, you can download pricing templates, there's a full pricing course on the site as well. The total value for this all purchased individually would be $4,439, but you get it all for $219. Again, 100% money back guarantee. If you get it, it's not for you, send me an email. My email is right here on the screen, and I'll send all your money back. You'll get instant access to everything, whether you go with the annual plan or you get one of the first 100 bundles. So come through the link and start building a business that's going to make all of the other photographers in your town jealous. I'm Taylor Jackson, and I'll see you inside the course.